Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursaleen. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today I am going to tell you about places of pronunciation for letters. The literal meaning of the word makhraj is the point of exit. In terms of tajweed, the place where an Arabic letter is pronounced from is called makhraj. Makhraj name halki makhraj. Category halkiya letters. And there are 6 kinds of halkiya letters. First 2 letters are pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. From where, everyone? Pronounced from the bottom part of the throat, like hamja, ha, hamja, ha. And next 2 letters are pronounced from the middle part of the throat. From where? Pronounced from the middle part of the throat, like ha, ha, ain, ain. And next 2 letters are pronounced from the top part of the throat. Pronounced from the top part of the throat, like ghain, ghain, kha, kha. Allah Hafiz.